When a variable is declared with a let keyword, you can reassign or change the value of that variable later on. In this example, the value of programmer is changed from the string Naomi to the string Camper-chan. Note that when reassigning a variable, you do not use the let keyword again. After your console.log, assign the value string world to your character variable. So it says you do not use the let keyword again. Think of why. Because the let keyword again is can be used for reassigning values. So if we are to use another keyword, let, that would be unnecessary and redundant. So there is a term in programming called dry, which is suitable for this one, like dry, don't repeat yourself. And this is a good used, what this is a good way. I don't know what I'm saying, but anyways, let is used for reassigning, and const is the opposite, which cannot be reassigned. So anyways, so we are to reassign this string hello to world. Okay, so all we have to do is to uh, write in right here the already declared variable named character with the keyword let. Okay, so we assign it to another value, or we can use a double quote or a single quote, but in my case I'll use the double quote because the instruction says so. So here the world there. So if we read it back, we have declared a variable called character with the keyword let, and this keyword is used and can be used for reassigning values such as this string. So this character variable is assigned to a value string called hello, and then we reassign it to the world string. Oh, I forgot the semicolon. It's a good practice to put a semicolon, by the way. Anyways, and then we uh, write again the character variable, the already declared variable character, and reassigned our value to a string world. We then console.log this character to our console.log to display the value, which is the world. So it then displayed the world in our console. So that would be it. Nice.